History never witnessed this kind of human gathering at such immeasurable scale ever before, but it was not so popularized as it should have. How the people from all walks of life, irrespective of their nationality, their ethnicity, the caste, the creed, the color, everyone was seen taking a dip into the holy Ganga. At least we shall be considerate enough to respect the faith which led to such a greater and the largest gathering of humankind at one place. This sense of respect, if that lacks in some of us, it does remind us of the colonial time when the British usurped all the resources from India to enrich their country. In the same way, the rights of the faith of the people are being usurped by few people for whom this whole phenomena appears to be superstitious and biased, prejudiced belief than faith of diversity, which incorporates everyone in its cradle and without hurting anyone's sentiment, harbors the feeling of harmony and respect for all. And over again, the time has proved itself. The legacy and the stream, the origin from where it percolates, has the origin of human consciousness, which may take form of a river. Few revere as Gangama or Yamuna or Saraswati, few as a flowing water. But what cannot be denied? The legacy and the stream. The legacy and the stream has the origin, which percolates down and has been since time immemorial, before the inception of humans. This cannot be denied. And it has been there as is before the evolution of humankind. How could you deny that? So my dear friends, no matter where you come, the scientifically proven aspect of the natural phenomena, which at times goes beyond the periphery of science itself, proves the point there is something that you cannot gauge through or devise a machine to understand, which is beyond the time and eternally truthful to all humans, irrespective of their nationality, ethnicity, caste, creed, color, cult. That's why this flows. And there's a reason why this flows. Yeah, there are people who are here to contaminate it. They do everything possible to malign and slander the very image and the legacy and the stream, the origin. But my dear friends, since the origin is beyond the time, the stream from where it comes from is beyond the very perception of your mind, then no matter how hard you try to subjugate it, it will always be as shining example as it was, as it has been, and will be. Therefore, better to come forward and take responsibility, take ownership to at least take care of this, not to pollute it. At least show some mercy. Despite that, despite all of that, billions of people come and take a holiday. And these people are not just from the village. There was no conversion. There was no talk of any specific religion. There was no talk of geopolitics. There was no poor or rich. Everyone was alike. Everyone. A saint or sinner, a poor or rich, intellectual or not so. Whomsoever you can think of on this earth came in here and took a holiday. What do you make of it? So it's good. You can verbalize any intellectual concept, but sentimentally, the reality exists as is, and that is billions of people came and took a holiday without any discrimination, without any age group, without any ethnicity, and there was uniqueness which was cited in the diversity of this eternal Sanatan culture that can never, ever be denied. There is something beyond logic and beyond the very understanding of a human mind or human-made concepts, which anyway changes with the time. But this flow and the origin and their legacy percolates down, comes down as it has been and will be, no matter what on earth one can think of.